Today I'm going to show you how you can make a Padlet. First, you're going to go to padlet.com. You are going to log in. I am going to log in with my Google account. That's just easier for me. I am going to make a Padlet. This is what the home view looks like. It's going to be in the upper right hand side. I'm going to put make a Padlet. And I have two different types of Padlets that I can make. You can make a wall, which means that the posts will just be put in a random order, whether you decide that they're from newest to oldest, oldest to newest, or any other type of ordering, but they're all compiled in the same area. Or you can have a Padlet with different sections, which means you can title different sections of the Padlet and then different discussion posts will go under the desired section. So I'm going to go with a wall with sections for this one. And I'm going to change the title to Careers in the Medical Field. I'm going to keep my wallpaper, but if you wanted to change it, you can select any of these, or you can import a picture or customize it to your liking. You can choose the font. You can group the post by sections, or you could leave them, which means if you don't group them by section, they just get thrown in there. I want to keep the sections because I want the headers. Again, you can choose how you decide to sort the posts. I'm going to keep them from newest to oldest. You can timestamp the posts, you can add comments, and you can allow viewers to like, upvote, give a 5-star rating, and you can grade directly on Padlet. I'm just going to go ahead and allow people to like posts. Do the posts need moderators? And who can remake this Padlet? Only admins. So I'm the only one that can remake this Padlet. Here we have the URL. If you wanted to share this Padlet, you can also click copy and it'll copy to your clipboard. So the first section I'm going to add is right here, and I'm going to put internal medicine. I can add another section. And I click done or enter. I'm going to add a post. So the first career I want to focus on is medical assistant. For this particular assignment, I want students to provide the following information: years of schooling required, the degree required, to find a university that offers the degree, and their annual salary in California. You can add an image. I'm going to publish. So my image hasn't loaded yet, but I would normally see an image here. See, people can like different posts. It's still editable by whoever posted it, and you have a ton of different features as to what you want to do with the post. So if I wanted to change its order around, make a duplicate, change its color, I could. And this is how you make a Padlet. If you wanted to share it, you would click this arrow right below your initial, and you can copy the link and post it directly into Canvas or into Google Classroom. You can get a QR code, you can embed the link, you can email it, and you can share it in Google Classroom as well. You can also download the Padlet as an image or as a PDF and then put it in Google Slides or anything like that if you just wanted to save the information that was shared on the Padlet. And that's how you make a Padlet.